Hey everyone, and welcome back to Not Another DIY Vlog. My name is Quenisha and I do very simple, easy DIY tricks and hacks that you could use in your everyday life to make your life easier. So this trick that I have today is a little DIY cosmetic pouch. Now, we did not make these pouches. These were bought, but they were bought from the Dollar Tree. And I just really could not find a pouch that I liked at the Dollar Tree, and that's why I went with buying one and then just making it the way I wanted to make it. Now, I made this one into a lovely little like boxy box bottom cosmetic bag, and then I actually turned this one into a wallet. So I made it to where it was, you know, the size of some money, and you can put money in there for vacation. I'll show you how to make both of those in this video. Okay, so for these projects, you will need a couple of things, not too many. You will need a ruler. I have here just my sewing ruler. You will need a marking tool, and I have one of those erasable Mark Be Gone pens for fabric. You will need your scissors or a rotary cutter because I can't ever seem to find my scissors when I need them, and there's no telling where they are sitting around here. Then, of course, you will need your pouches, whichever one you want to do, or two if you want to. I got these from the Dollar Tree, so they cost $1 a piece. So this will be a very cheap and easy project. Oh, look, I found my scissors. They were under these. Okay, and then, well, I'll leave those here. And then you will need $1 or some kind of money or whatever you want to put in this pouch to make it the right size. You do not have to cut your pouches down. It just looks really cute. And it's a very simple, easy way of storing your money without having to actually have a wallet. So I'm going to put this one aside and we'll work on this one first. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your little zipper pouch here, and I'm going to flip it inside out. And then it's a little difficult. Poke the corners out really well. Okay, so now your pouch will end up looking like this. Okay, and they just made this very simple. They put the bottom on and then made the two sides very simple. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to determine how wide you want your base. Now, I have one made here, and the base of this one, let's measure it here. The base of this one measures about 2.5, almost 3 inches. So actually, that looks like 3 inches. So 3 inches. So what I did was, when I measured this, I only cut out 1 inch square. So I basically laid the, let me zoom in, there's a glare on the, okay, let's move it over. I laid the edge of the 2-inch mark here and the 1-inch mark here against the corner of my fabric, and then I just marked it. Okay? And so it looks like that. All right? And then you just repeat that process on the other side. Okay? Good thing these are marked beyond because I just marked all over the table. So you have 1-inch box and a 1-inch box. Okay? So then, this is like the simplest project ever. You're going to take the 1-inch boxes and you're going to cut them out. So I'm just going to cut right along that line there. Just like that. So you have your 1-inch box. And one more side here. Okay, so you have your bag and you have your 1-inch squares cut out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your bag and you're going to line up your edges to where your crease from the bottom that you can see here and your crease from the side from the sewing match up in the middle. Okay, so we have them matching up, and I'm just going to push this crease to one side. You could open the crease if you want to, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want the stitching to come out of the original part of it. So we have our creases matched up. So it's going to basically look like a flat line going across here. And I'm just going to put one pin right there to hold it. All right, you're going to repeat that process on the other side. Bottom crease and side crease matched up like so. Push the seam to one side and just put a pin in it. All right. Now I'm going to take you to the sewing machine, and you're basically going to sew from one edge to the other edge on both sides. And I like to do a little bit of back stitching for a few times just to secure it. All right. Oh God. So I've stitched right along the edge. I don't think the camera caught the recording, but I stitched right along the edge. It's not perfect on both sides. Okay. And then I'm going to take some pinking scissors here. And I'm going to just, not necessarily clean up the edge, but make it so it won't fray. And it'll just make it look kind of good. There we go. And I'll take you back to the table so we can turn it inside out. And now we're just going to take and turn our back inside out. Dun, dun, dun. Now you can take and you can stick your thumb in the corner and then use your index finger to push it out, and that usually creates a really good corner to corner situation. Let's do that over here. And one more time. Right there. Okay. So now you have a boxed corner cosmetic bag, and you only paid $1 and a little bit of labor for it.